Got a Chris Craft yacht in the mud from the hurricane in the marsh. Using another sailboat to pull both their anchors up. They drug all the way to the marsh. There we go. Come on. Now it's coming out. Got a crab trap buoy right there by him. Oh yeah. Kill that motor. Oh yeah, he's dragging it all out now. Come on out with it. Boys, your home is out of the muck. Yeehaw! Now we don't know where we're going to drop you. We don't know. Yeah, I won't have to come rescue you out of the mud to go to land with your dinghy. Yeah. I don't know, bring him back down this way. All right, I'll probably drag that crab trap out of the way. Y'all got props on that boat? Okay. Where are we trying to go, Rob?
Can't hear you.
Where are you trying to go?
I can't turn left. We're tied to the wrong side of the boat.
Oh. He's tied to the wrong side of the boat to turn left. Learning obstacles about how to tie to what side of the boat to make turns. Water and angles. There you go. Now he's untying now. The 50-foot Swan. It's a pretty nice boat on the inside. They just got it. Brought it up here to St. Mary's. That's my friends Steve and Stevie, father and a son. That boat, their sailboat, and their little sailboat, Cheerio, were all three in the marsh. Cheerio broke anchor. I loaned them an anchor and a road line, anchor line to put on it temporarily. We got that one out day before yesterday. Got that one out, but the anchors were hung and we couldn't get them up. All right, now he's got it turned. Tied to the other side. Sorry on this video that I'm having to run my motor and make noise, but it's gonna be okay. Yeah, put them behind me. Yeah, I dropped all that behind where I'm at. Come on, baby. An old sunken sailboat right here. There he is. Rob, don't let them swing to that. Don't let them swing to that sunken sailboat. Oh, they're not going to hit it. Y'all good, Stevie. Y'all are good, Stevie. Oh, yeah. There they go. Boy, that's a lot of line right there. From there to there, that's 200 feet. Probably 250 feet. I got my other. It's my buoys tied to the anchor floating. Wonder what happened there. Dang, that's a lot of line. I gotta go catch my bumpers. Well, we got them out. Good deal. Happy wins, everybody. Sailing Tzphnyah's out.